Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and quick onigiri. Let's go! Rinse some sushi rice and cook it with sesame oil and a little salt. The rice is done. Let us leave it inside the rice cooker for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the rice can absorb the liquid so that it is not too wet. After 15 minutes, let's open it. Wow, it's beautiful. We can have a soft folding or cutting, and this way will make the rice fluffy and not stick together. And just leave it until it is cooling down, and then we can start to make the onigiri. After that, we can cover it, but just put the spatula like this so that we have some air coming out from here. This is to prevent the rice not getting dry, okay? Let's prepare the fillings. 150 grams of tuna fish, filter out the excess liquid or oil. Half a teaspoon of salt, sprinkle some pepper, about a quarter teaspoon, about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, mix them well, rinse some chives, you may replace it with any leaves you like, parsley or onion leaves, whatever. Put them inside the tuna fish. Mix them well together. Friends, I like to keep my cutting board surface clean, so I will wrap it with plastic. This is the food plastic, and I use this to make the onigiri. If you don't have, it's okay, it's fine. You can use hand to fold it, make a ball first, and then shape it in triangle. We can put half full first. And press it down softly. Fill in some of the tuna fish or the tuna. Just position it right in the middle. Cover it with some rice. And press it down with the cover. That's it. It's done. A I'll show you some more. For the fillings, it's flexible. You may use any fillings you like. Oh yes friends, if you don't have sushi rice, you may use any white rice. As long as the rice is a little bit sticky, it will be alright, okay? Let's prepare some nori. Just follow the lines and then cut into half. You can use this too, don't waste it. And we use the rough one is facing down, okay? They are ready to be served. Lekker, delicious. Thanks much for watching guys. I hope you like my cooking video. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also leave some comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done it. Bye bye.
Okay, it's better.
It's better. Bye bye.
That's good.
That's good. Oh.